Our county paralegal. Briefly, I might just describe county counsel office for those who are unfamiliar or for folks that just know that the county counsel office exists but not really sure what we do. Essentially, the county counsel's office is a general civil attorney firm within the county. The caveat to that is county counsel's only client is the entity that is Klamath County. And so if you look at it somewhat like from a business perspective, that the county is a business, we're the attorney for that business, and the board of county commissioners are the executive officers that run the administration and the budget side of that business. And so we work very closely with the board of county commissioners. We work with all our department heads. Any given day, we could be responding to lawsuits against the county for premises liability, negligence, employment relation matters. We appear at the county justice court when necessary. It's all civil matters, so we don't prosecute anything criminally out of our office. We oversee contracting, procurement, code enforcement, planning commission, planning department, public procurement, public meetings, public records. We appear at BOBTA if they need us, such as the Board of Property Tax Appeals. We have a 24-hour jail, 24-hour sheriff's office that at times needs assistance and advice. Also a 24-hour juvenile department. We have parole and probation at times, which will have matters. In that regard, in a lot of those departments, we assist HR with union negotiations and employment relations matters there. Obviously, we have a public health department, public works, solid waste. So at any given day, we could be touching on a whole multitude of matters come across our desk. You just never really know. The benefit to the county and the citizens of Klamath County that provides is within our budgets that you're going to be seeing proposed today. You have all of those essentially items that if a department head or a county commissioner were to call outside counsel, that individual counsel would have to establish a case file, and it'd be much more expensive essentially for every little issue that the county sees at any given time to hire outside counsel. And so it's quite frankly a pretty good cost savings and prudent use of public funds having an individual county counsel office. In our budget, and with the budget that you have before you, the exercise that we provided was a 15% reduction essentially across the board of our total budget. The major reduction that you see in that budget is our legal services attorney and our legal services non-attorney categories. And what those are reserves. You heard HR speak of outside counsel need. They were essentially reserve funds in years where litigation is high, highly specialized litigation, and where we generally hire outside counsel to represent us is in employment relation matters. It's a highly specialized field. If we have to go before the State Employment Relations Board, and LUBA, Land Use Board of Appeals, we're brought into suits many times in regards to land use decisions that go up to Salem before the Land Use Board of Appeals. Another one that I can think of right now that we have ongoing expenses is, you heard from our county property manager, tax collector, Rick Vaughn.